This is Detroit-style pizza. Welcome to my video about mouth-watering Detroit red top pizza. If you're a pizza lover, then you're going to be in for a real treat with this video, because I'm going to explore the fascinating history of this iconic pizza and find out why it's become a beloved staple of Detroit's food culture. So the Detroit red top pizza has a rich, interesting history that dates back to the 1940s. It all began at a place called Buddy's Rendezvous, a popular bar in Detroit, Michigan. The owner of Buddy's, Gus Guerra, wanted to create a pizza that was different from the traditional New York-style pizza that was popular at the time. He experimented with different ingredients and baking methods till he came up with what would later be known as the Detroit red top pizza. Now, one of the things that sets Detroit red top pizza apart from other styles of pizza is the pan that it's baked in. Now, I used a nonstick pan, as you can see here, but you can use really any pan, but blued steel is what it was the original. This creates a crispy, caramelized crust that's unlike anything else you've ever tasted. This pizza is also known for its thick layer of cheese and toppings, which are placed on top of the crust instead of underneath the sauce. Over the years, the Detroit red top pizza has become a beloved part of Detroit's food culture. It's served in restaurants all over the city, and it's even made its way onto menus in other parts of the country. In recent years, the pizza has gained popularity nationwide, with food bloggers and pizza enthusiasts raving about its unique texture and taste. If you're a pizza lover who wants to make your own Detroit red top pizza at home, it's easier than you might think. All you need is a blue steel pan, or in the case of myself, a nonstick pan, some high quality ingredients, which are all listed below in a link to my Amazon store so you can get everything in one spot, and a little bit of patience. And that's all there is to it. The fascinating story of Detroit red top pizza, from its origins at Buddy's Rendezvous to its status as a beloved part of Detroit's food culture. This pizza has a rich and interesting history. So the next time you're in Detroit, or you're looking for a new pizza recipe to try at home, give Detroit red top pizza a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and check out this incredible red top pizza. This is something that's amazing. It's known for its red racing stripes that go across the top of the pizza. And when you eat this thing, it is absolutely mind-blowing. I get a little technique in there to put my stripes on my Detroit red top pizza. Oh. That's stimulating. Go ahead and try it. I finished this off with some incredible seasoning from Ocean State Pepper Company, Wanna Pizza Me, and some Parmigiano Reggiano. And there you have it, my Detroit red top pizza. Smoke on, baby!